Are you serious?
Jacinda, what are you doing
What
here?
are you doing here? Well, I'm here because I wanted to come to Compare Foods and surprise you and cook a really nice romantic dinner for Valentine's Day.
Wow, you're not going to believe this. I was thinking the exact same thing. I went to compareclt.com and found your favorite recipe.
What?
Yes, just for you.
And I got some flour. Oh my gosh, you are too much. Well, here's what I'm thinking. We're both here, so why don't we just go get the ingredients together? Make it a date.
You want to do it?
Let's do it.
Well, let's go. Come on, hurry up.
Love shopping in this store. We found everything that we needed here at Compare Foods.
That's right, and you can too. You can also shop online at compareclt.com for pickup or delivery.
We love Compare Foods.
Happy Valentine's Day.